touching it. I'm just touching it. Are you okay? Look what's in my hand. Look, your tooth.
Let's take a look. Whoa. Look at me. Hi. What's the date?
December 24th.
December 24th, or is it December 4th?
4th.
And what's the day? Is it Monday or
Sunday.
Sunday? And what happened today? What's in the
I
bag?
lost my tooth.
Oh, let's take a look. Whoa, that's a tooth. And is that your 5th tooth or 10th tooth? Number 1 tooth. Way to go. All right. Congratulations.
Okay, bye-bye.